Welcome to Dr. Rath's search term generator. I'm going to show you how this works. You'll start on step 1, which asks you to put in your research question. I'm going to use the example question here to walk you through this. So I'm going to put my question in and click next. Then you're going to pick keywords based on your research question. So for our research question, how does social media use affect college students' sleep? I have one keyword idea of social media use and sleep. I may also want to add another concept for college students. Then I'm going to click Next. Now, for each one of my search terms, I'm going to identify synonyms. So for social media use, I'm going to say Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok. Those seem like good synonyms to me. Then for sleep, I'm going to say rest. And then for college students, I may want to say university students or freshmen. Then when I review and search, I learn what a Boolean search is. I see my summary, and then I have my Boolean search here. I can now copy this if I want and paste it in any search engine. Or I can scroll down and choose a specific subject that works for me and the databases that are most likely to be helpful. So for example, if I were a nursing student, I could click on CINAHL and Medline. If I were looking to psychology, I could click on Psych Info. And when I do that, it will put all of my search terms right in the database for me. From here, I can choose to limit to peer-reviewed articles, and I can choose to limit to the past 5, 10 years, or even 12 months. I can choose a custom date range as well. I'm going to choose 5 years. And then I can go through and identify articles that might work for me.